It's okay. We all stall. It happens. I see you peeping. Yeah. Oh my. Big yawn. Yeah? Is it CP time? That's right, get dolled up so you can shoot these guns and drive a stick. Oh yeah. So today's gonna be a fun video. I'm gonna take the wife out. We're going to teach her how to drive a stick, and we're going to teach her how to shoot a gun. Should be fun. So I went out and bought some really high quality targets. As you can see, look at that. I even got a fancy one here. Oh, yeah. Don't judge me. So today she'll be learning how to shoot a SCCY. This is an American-made 9mm. We're only going to shoot a couple rounds out of that. She needs to learn. And my old trusty Ruger Mark 1. This is a very old gun, but this thing shoots wonderful. Yes, that is a flash suppressor on the end, but it's made for it. So this one, I like this. This is one of my favorite guns to shoot. It's fun. It's easy. It shoots well. It aim is good. I like it.
So you think twice before you come in my house trying to take my TP. My wife's gonna be packing.
As you can see, we're all dolled up and ready to stick shift. Huh? Yeah. Alright, so I finally got my pretty wife out of the house, off of her schedule. It's a hard thing to do. It's a rough life we live here, you know. But I guess I need to go over a couple things. You know this is a stick shift.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Yes.
You know there's 3 pedals down here.
Yes.
And you need to use this one a lot.
Yes.
Okay. We went through this before. It never really went well. She doesn't have the patience to stall and keep going. So, we'll see how this goes. I might get yelled at. She might get yelled at. Before you know it, you'll be slamming gears. Oh. I just spilled water on her. Okay, this already started out on the wrong foot. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble already. All right, so we went over basics. Pulling out is the hardest part, you know that.
Yeah.
Luckily, there's not much traffic. Luckily, there's not much traffic on the roads because of this quarantine, everybody being on lockdown. So we're pulling out on a dirt road first onto a hard road. So if you do, just hammer it. We'll just spin anyways, you know, and then we'll hit concrete. But well, there goes traffic. Yep.
And then go first.
No, over. There you go. There's first.
Okay.
And then when you shift, you'll push the clutch in, back to second. Then you drive in second, so you need to go faster. Push the clutch in, third.
So I leave it in first when I pull out.
Yeah, it's just like first gear, second gear, third gear. Slowest, and they get faster as you go. So the higher speed you're going. Okay, you're in first.
Well, I didn't know you had me in first.
It's okay. Good start. Look, if you can go back and forth, that's neutral. Okay.
So we're in neutral.
Yeah, so you want to go to first.
Okay.
Okay, now you need to let the clutch out easy and give it a little bit of gas. There's no cars, so you're good. And you'll feel it, it'll start to move.
It's on brake.
Oh yeah. Hey, here, I'll get it. I got a strong hand. That was a good catch there. It's okay. We all stall. It happens. Oh, you're good. No traffic.
Put that shift?
Let go of the gas, push the clutch in.
Okay.
Go to second. Okay, now let the clutch out. Oh, you're in neutral. Push the clutch in. Okay, now let the clutch out. Now go. Okay. Now off the gas, push the clutch in. Go to third. There you go. There you go. Go. Give gas. There you go. You're doing it. Okay. Do it again. Go to fourth. Yeah, see? It's fun.
No, it's not.
If pulling out is the worst part. Once you're moving, go to fifth. Do it. Do it again. See? And then go to sixth. There you go. Now you're cruising. You're at cruising speed.
Okay.
Now when you come to a place where you're going to stop, you have to push the clutch in to brake, because the clutch disconnects your transmission from your engine. I know you're not understanding this, but that's what makes your wheels move.
So I need to stop, clutch, and brake.
Yep. You can just apply the brake, but when you're coming to a complete stop, you have to use the clutch or it's going to stall the engine. Baby steps, folks. We'll get there. But she's cruising now. It's just like a normal car once you get up into cruising speed. It's just going through the gears. Now, if you go and you slow down from, say you get behind slow traffic and your RPMs are really low, then you'll downshift a gear until you get to a gear where it runs comfortably. I will honestly say, though, for her point out, and this is pretty good, because the Civic would have been the perfect car for her to learn on, because the clutch on the Civic was so easy and carefree and was forgiving. This, it's a little bit more finicky. The release is pretty far out, and there's not much give before it goes from sliding to engaged. So it's a little bit harder to drive this, but she got it. Third time's a charm.
Yeah, it's great.
So just like you upshifted, let go of the gas, clutch, go to fifth. Yeah, I think that might be third. But there you go, that's fifth. Now let out the clutch. See how it's slowing you down a little bit? Go ahead and apply some brakes because you're getting closer to T's. It doesn't hurt you to brake without the clutch unless you're coming to a complete stop. So you can just coast in here. So push the clutch in so you don't stall, and go ahead and turn in.
I don't have to downshift?
You don't have to. You can. I do, but you don't have to. Now, if you put it in neutral, you can let the clutch out.
So neutral?
Yep.
Okay.
So we'll get more or less. You are coasting though.
Oh, you put the brake on.
Yeah. So,
Car.
yeah. This is just baby steps. Baby steps. You'll go out and practice again. You're going to be a pro before you'll be banging gears and
so
still.
I can have that whatever Audi you have.
If you practice and you learn to drive, then yes.
Okay.
Okay. See, we can work deals. Now there ain't no way in heck I'm fitting in there because you're tiny. I'm impressed because she didn't pay attention at all while I was driving out here and just pretty much winged it.
What?
I could tell you weren't listening to me.
What do you mean? I was listening to you.
I was gonna bang gears here, but you got food out,
Oh.
and I feel bad, so I'm not. I won't do that. No, I'm not gonna do it now.
My yogurt and peanut butter.
We'll do it later. It'll be fun. All right, so I only brought 2 clips for the 9, so you're gonna shoot one. I'm gonna shoot one, and then I got 2 clips for the 22. I think you'll like shooting that one better. It's a lot easier. Anyways, let's get this stuff set up. And we'll do some nice slow motion shots and regular shots and all kinds of stuff.
Shots on fun
Yeah.
shots.
Everybody wants to see you shoot, not me.
Boy.
Kind of have like a Princess Leia kind of look going on right now. It's kind of hot. You watch where you point at. You're pointing at the ground, you're good. Just watch where, watch where you're
I
pointing.
got it on fire.
It's on fire, but there's nothing in the chamber. You did get one really close. I'm proud of you. Look, so much excitement. Okay. If somebody was standing there, you would have just hit them a couple times. picked up my shells. I found one bullet. One of my bullets right there. It was in the ground. So how was that?
Looks like it wasn't too bad.
Yeah. Well, we already found out that if somebody robs a house, you're going to have a gun battle with a 22 because she doesn't like the 9mm. It hurts her wrist. So, she is frail. She's just a little thing. She
Yeah.
packs a punch, though. Where did I put... Oh, my keys are in the trunk. Hold on. Hey, babe. You got to hold your water. Hold on to your water for a second. This is what you're going to be doing after you learn.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
On the Audi, though. No, you're not going to do that if you learn to drive. You won't do that in the Audi. I'm just telling you. Anyways, I know this is a little bit different content, but that's going to be the end of this video. If you're here to watch car videos, go back and check out some of my builds. I've probably got, what, 400 videos now?
Lots of videos.
That's ridiculous.
Lots of
Nobody should have that many videos, especially me.
videos.
Anyways, so if you like that video, give it a thumbs up. This isn't an everyday thing. If you dislike this video, you don't like guns. Yeah. You're stuck in the house. I'm giving you entertainment. What else could you ask for? If you haven't yet, go check out my merch on my Teespring page. Look what my wife made me for Christmas.
This is Love Your Wife.
Yeah, unwrapped wallet. How about that? We'll see you on the next episode of
Unwrapped.